welcome to another Online Business Realm video. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the channel. So for today's Crypto Thursday tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to buy NEOGAS. The symbol for gas is GAS, so it may be a little confusing because some places call it NEOGAS and other places just call it gas. The reason why it can be a little confusing is because NEO and gas are on the same platform. They are the two main tokens of the NEO network. So let's take a look at the coin. We're here on CoinMarketCap. Let's type in the symbol, which is GAS. As you notice here, you'll see that they have the same logo next to them, the same green box if you look here and then you look over here. So let's go ahead and click that and we'll take a look. It's up 7% today. And if you come down here and look at the circulating supply is pretty low, which is good. And the total supply is also low, which is good. So if you think Bitcoin has 21 million total coins, and right now we're only at 9 circulating supply of gas, if you know anything about the way the market cap and the supply works, you'll see why gas could be a pretty profitable coin. Now, let's look at the chart. Let's go ahead and close this up so we can just see the recent amount of time. Okay, so if we look at the highest that it got to $87.80 back in the middle of January. And right now it is, like we said up here, it is at $41.54. So it's at about 50% of what it was at one point. But of course, we understand that the crypto market is volatile, and there's been a lot of volatility in the last month, especially with Bitcoin. It's affected everything else. But for $41, I think this could be a good buy. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial planner or advisor. These are just my own personal opinions, and you can take them and research them if you want. So I think it's important to understand the relationship between NEO and gas. So NEO is the main token on this platform. And if you think of each person that holds NEO kind of like shareholders, if they hold their NEO in a core wallet and not on an exchange, then they get dividends. And those dividends come in the form of gas tokens. So the gas tokens can be divided up. The NEO tokens cannot be divided into fractions and things like that as far as actual shares go. But these two are always probably going to be attached to the hip. That's why usually when NEO goes up, gas goes up right behind it. And when NEO drops, gas comes right behind it. Now today, gas is up 7% and NEO is down about 1.5%, which is pretty unusual. They usually have the same kind of gains. But one benefit of buying gas is because it is cheaper, so you can buy more shares. And while I don't think gas will ever pass NEO, it seems to stay between about 35 to 50% of NEO's value. But that number could go up. It could go up as high, to 60 or 70%. But at the end of the day, gas and NEO are both good investments, in my opinion. They've shown resilience through this bear run we've been at. They haven't dropped nearly as much as a lot of coins. But at the same time, I don't know if it's good to have both of them. If you want to diversify, that's great. But it seems like to me that you would really want to choose one or the other because they really move in sync with each other. So if you're going to diversify, I would rather you diversify into other tokens, maybe Walton Chain, Rayblock's Internet Node Token. Those are some of the ones that I really like right now. But of course, that always changes on whatever news or marketing may come out for each coin. But I would think that if you wanted to get a coin on this network, I would say gas is a good one. If you want to do NEO, that's fine too. If you're interested in learning how to buy that, you can watch our NEO video as well. So today I'm going to be showing you how to exchange Bitcoin for gas. Okay, so one cool thing about the KuCoin platform, if I could just mention this, is if you go to the markets page, you can trade with Bitcoin, Ethereum, even NEO on this exchange, US dollar tokens, KuCoins, those are the actual coins for the exchange, and Bitcoin Cash. But if you've ever used Coinbase before, which I'm sure that you most likely have if you're looking into buying altcoins, then hopefully you understand how to use that website and how to deposit money, and send it out. So we're assuming that you already know how to use Coinbase, and maybe you're just interested in branching out to other altcoins. We're going to be doing a Coinbase tutorial here pretty soon in the next couple weeks. We haven't done one yet, but if you go watch some of our previous videos, you will see that in all those videos, we do show you how to use Coinbase. So what you want to do is you want to deposit some Bitcoin. So what we're going to do is we're going to hover over the dollar. We're going to come over here to deposit. Okay. And then we're going to change this here to Bitcoin. Of course, it says you only want to send Bitcoin here, so please make sure that's what you do. So here is your wallet address. So what you're going to want to do is copy this, and now go over to your Coinbase account and click on your Bitcoin account where you deposited money or already have Bitcoins on there. You're going to want to send however many Bitcoins you want to exchange to this address right here. Once you do that, that's going to pop up over here in the overview. It'll show how many you have right now. I currently don't have anything on this exchange. I do like it, but I've got my altcoins and some other exchanges right now. But like I said, this is a great exchange, and I am planning on putting some on here soon. But it'll show up here. Now, once that is done and your Bitcoin is in here, you'll go up here to Markets, and you'll click Markets, and then you will search for gas. So just search gas, and then all you'll do is you'll hit buy, and you will type in however many Bitcoins you deposited in your account if you want to use all of it. If not, you can kind of use this slider over here, and you can slide it. I don't have any money, so I can't actually slide it. It won't let me. But if you have one Bitcoin in there, and let's just say you wanted to, let's say Bitcoin's at 8,000 and you wanted to buy $4,000 worth of gas, then you would just take this and slide this over to about 50%. And then all you got to do is put in your two-factor authentication code. You have to have that enabled for this website, and then click buy. And on a side note about two-factor authentication, something a lot of people don't realize is that is trapped on your phone. And if you have that authentication app and nothing to back that up, and your phone were to break, or you were to lose all the info on your phone, or you were to switch to a different phone and get rid of that one not thinking, then you'll never be able to get on this account again without going through a huge ordeal. And that goes for anything that uses two-factor authentication. So make sure you're smart about that you have your authentication info backed up somewhere. So, but once we do that, all we do is just click buy after we put in our two-factor authentication, and boom, your gas is in your account. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you gained some knowledge about gas and how it and Neo are related. And I think, as I mentioned before, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do think it is a good coin to consider buying. We know that a lot of you guys are very interested in our crypto videos. So tomorrow we got a little exciting announcement on our video that we'll be posting. So be on the lookout for that. And once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we have going on. And until next time, get out there and make some money.